Yo, Yudi, let's go. We're going to do a super cool thing today. So we're finally here and we're going to check out what they're offering equipment-wise for tomorrow's bike riding. And you guys want to know where it is? See this? Let's go. Not here, but here's your drink. Let's go. Yeah, so we're finally here in Xintiandi picking up the equipment for tomorrow's bike riding. And check this out. So we got all the stuff we need for tomorrow's bike riding. So we got all the stuff for tomorrow's bike riding. We got this cool random generator art stuff, Rolls Royce for $J. And then we got this special license plate that you need to put on your bike tomorrow. Shake Shack pin, sticker, Shake Shack tower. Let's go. 3250就可以。For $500 US, you can drive it away. We're here at the next stop. We're at the world largest Nike store, Nike 001. But my reservation is actually at 6 o'clock. And they just gave me a call. They'd be like, sir, you need to be fast because 10 minutes later we're going to shut down. So let's get going. We are here.
是一起的，是吗？但是他们没有报名参加。你有去检录过吗？
哦，有啊，
有检录过了。
拿完东西。
这边二维码扫一下。
So I'm actually going to the bike riding event right now. However, it says there will be a 90% chance it will be raining the whole afternoon. So safety first, I'm gonna put my bike in my car. So either way, we're able to figure it out. See you. Guys, we're back from bike riding to the crib. Oh, what do we have? I know what this is. Hey, I told you guys I got you some special package to review at the end of this video, so here we go. So starting off with the box, Sabro and XT-6. You already know XT-6 is the signature model of Salomon. On the side, you will see the Salomon logo. And of course, Sabro is the collection crate company that create the best box in the world. And let me just show you real quick what's inside. Let's take off the foams. This beautiful box right here. So the designer is Ian Ball. He is the illustrator out of UK. He's most famous for his SneakerCon design. All the SneakerCon posters and a lot of collaborations that SneakerCon has been doing. So Ian Ball did a very fantastic job on this one, illustrating out the shoe. And then since the shoe is called Bamboo, so you got all the bamboo all over print. And then XT-6, the model name, Salomon logo in this bamboo color, and then bamboo in Chinese letter. This is super dope. And the reason why this pair of Salomon XT-6 came in this package and in this box is because they did a special release and special package of the shoe. I think probably only 200 pairs released worldwide for this special package. So open up the box and we got this special dry bamboo. It actually says Salomon and Clap. So Clap is actually the store and also the coffee shop where Salomon did their special release of the box and then also their offline pop-up event. Hit my heart because I'm a heavy coffee drinker. And when it comes to the shoe, man, this looks great because the bamboo color is kind of like the aqua blue or like the aqua green color to kind of go with this lighter aqua blue or aqua green color right here. I think it actually pops up. And the reason why the shoe is kind of worn because it's actually being used by my guy Edison. He was joining the event and he was running at the pop-up store, so that's why the shoe is worn and it's a little bit dusty. But basically this is the signature model of Salomon XT-6. So for the guys who doesn't really know the brand, Salomon is actually a French company and latest being acquired by the Chinese sports giant Anta. And then so that's why Salomon is popping everywhere in China right now and it's super popular among campers, glampers, and also outdoor activity guys. And also we see a lot of guys wearing them as a fashion shoe to some degree. But basically Salomon is an outdoor activity company. They started the company being a snowboarding or skiing gear company, but later turned into like a full category outdoor company. So this XT-6 actually their signature model for outdoor running, and it's actually very old model together with the counter grip and also the chevron outsole technology. So basically the counter grab and also the chevron technology is where you